Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about cellular metabolism and describing the linked pathways of metabolism by Vanessa Garcia. We can start out by talking about metabolism, which is all chemical reactions carried out by an organism in which they break down and build up molecules by using energy. And one example of that would be our body secreting waste through sweat or urine. Another example would be when a person was to eat, let's say, a spoonful of sugar, and the body then takes those sugar molecules and breaks it down to simpler ones in order to release energy. Energy can then be used by the body for different reasons, like keeping the body warm or building up new ones in the body. All metabolic reactions can then be broken down into two general categories, which are anabolic and catabolic reactions. Anabolism is the process in which the energy is used to build up molecules needed by the body to maintain itself. And catabolism is a process in which large molecules are broken down into smaller ones while releasing energy. A good way to remember the two, anabolism and catabolism, is anabolism, you can remember it as a catastrophe. And in a catastrophe, all the buildings are broken down. And in anabolism, people use anabolic steroids to build up their body, to build up muscles. And that's how you'd be able to remember each one a little easier. Catabolism can be broken down into three main parts. The first part is the stage of digestion, in which the large components are broken down into smaller ones, which act on starch, cellulose, or proteins. The second stage then releases energy, and the third provides the chemical energy necessary for the maintenance and growth of the cells. On the other hand, there are also three stages of anabolism. And the first stage is where monosaccharides, amino acids, are made. And in the second, there's the activation of monosaccharides and amino acids into reactive forms, which are all helping work together to create ATP. And in the third stage, all of this is made into complex molecules such as polysaccharides, nucleic acids, proteins, and lipids.